According to a recent study by MIT, 95% of AI projects fail. So the news that 95% of enterprises have AI projects that fail, this according to a recent MIT study. And I think this is a wake-up call for organizations. From my perspective, the core issues lie less in technology or infrastructure and more in how companies approach AI development and deployment. So however you want to boil it down, enterprises are not good at AI yet. And so many of the first initial AI projects, generative AI projects that they scaled up, they figured out pretty quickly that things weren't working out for them. And I think in many cases, they just didn't have the talent they needed. They didn't understand the use cases for AI, how to leverage their own data for AI processes and services, and ultimately end up failing and cost the business money. And evidently, it's a lot of them. 95% is way more than I think initially people thought they were. Obviously, there's some, learning curves in moving to any kind of technology, AI included, but that is abysmal. So these projects fail often because organizations lack the proper human expertise and operational readiness to build and train AI models effectively. I think that's really kind of the heart of the matter. So the big problem with generative AI is that many enterprises out there want to build an LLM. There's no reason for you to build an LLM or a foundational model. You're going to want to use other people's LLMs, ChatGPT and others that are out there, Gemini, Grok, whatever. The one that's going to be a good foundational model for your project. And when you're building AI, it should be leveraging small language models that are leveraging your specific data. So in many cases, enterprises are overcomplicating this. So focus on small language models, tactical use of business data, and I think you're going to be fine.